Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can customize your shortened links on bit.ly.com, a pretty popular link shortening service you may use free of charge to shorten your link and thus to increase their performance and to increase their conversion rate. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to bit.ly.com, log into your account, and what you want to do here on your home screen is head over to this section here on the left panel, links, to access the list of your already shortened links here. So let me pick that link here for demonstration purposes. Now, what you want to do, guys, is click on that icon here to the right to access the customization features here on Bitly. And basically, there are two different ways how you can customize your shortened link. The first option would be to assign a backhalf, a custom backhalf to your shortened link. You may do that by clicking on Edit Backhalf here. Now, as previously mentioned, guys, adding a custom backhalf to your shortened link may increase your shortened link's conversion rate and thus also its performance, because if people see, for instance, a brand name or recognizable title in your shortened link's backhalf, chances tend to be higher that they're going to click on the link than, for instance, if the shortened link hadn't any backhalf or only a backhalf with a series of random numbers and letters. So you may take that in consideration and do some A/B testing with various custom backhalfs for your shortened links. So what you want to do after that, that would be the second option, guys, would be to change the destination page. If that's necessary, you can do that by clicking on redirect here and assign simply a new destination page or URL to your shortened link. However, guys, bear in mind that that customization feature can only be used by those of you who signed up for a premium account here on Bitly. So as you can see, I'm not given access to that feature, unfortunately. And that's basically it, guys. Once you're ready and content with the results, simply click on that button here in the bottom right corner to save your changes. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.